The CDC also updated K through 12 school guidance today, now recommending that on top of masking, students distance 3 feet apart instead of 6. Our Fox 12's Brenna Kelly is joining us now live with much more on this shift in guidance and when we could start to see this change happen. Brenna?
That's right. The governor said today that the Oregon Department of Education and the Oregon Health Authority are reviewing these new guidelines. There are some nuances, though. For elementary schools, for example, the CDC recommends 3 feet of distancing regardless of whether community transition is high. But that changes slightly for middle and high schoolers. The governor says after state guidance is updated, school districts will still need to have a conversation at the local level to update their plans. State health leaders would not directly address whether they would get involved if the school district chose to stay with 6 feet. And so far, we know some districts are not jumping to make the change. Portland Public Schools approved a plan with the 6 feet model last night. And Lake Oswego, Beaverton, Vancouver, and Evergreen Public Schools are waiting for state guidance to officially change. Other districts like North Clackamas and Salem-Keizer don't anticipate altering logistics yet. We spoke with a 7th grade teacher from the Westland-Wilsonville School District yesterday, who's also a parent. She says the move to 3 feet seems political, and she doesn't feel she can send her own kids back to school yet, even though she's there herself.
We were overcrowded before. And so the idea that we're all going to be back in person, or we're all going to be within 3 feet, and then that many more people breathing and sharing germs in a room, it does scare me. It makes me feel unsafe.
We also spoke to a Portland parent who has 3 students. He supports the move to get students back in school, but's worried the state and PPS won't move fast enough to incorporate the 3 feet rule soon. Reporting in Portland, Brenna Kelly, Fox 12 Oregon.